Because of my rambutan, leftover of the birds during night time. Birds of all kinds eat those fruits, while during night time the bats are also attacking these fruits. They eat, they share, but don't worry, we should also give them their share of the earth's abundance, because we are the same. The birds is created by God. We are also created and by God, and we should share them. We will not harm the birds eating, but instead we should share to them our fruits, so that all of us, the birds the birds will also survive by eating these fruits. In other words, we share to them the abundance of nature.